What's So, as you can see, I have, let's pull this back. I have managed to put together the easy frame. It's so easy. That's why it's called easy. But it's really easy to put together. Pretty much it's just, getting, the structure right and then just clipping them in after you have them sort of set up, so it's easy for the last clip to sort of go in, but all the instructions are with it. My posy does still need a bit of filling. I find that when I use it a lot, it tends to, flatten a bit, so I'm going to fill that up later and put some rice in there as well. But I'm going to just quickly, I know that you would use a few blankets, so I'm going to grab those. And use them just to give it a bit of a just for the sake of this. I'm gonna put that. So that way you don't need a huge amount of material, and that way you can, so as you can see there, this is why my posy needs a bit of filling. I'd also put something underneath the posy just to lift it a bit. So I probably might put later on something more firm, but for the sake of this, I just want to show you how it can look like. Let's fix this again. So I'm going to get like a sort of a table, a secure table later on. But I just wanted to show you the final setup of what it looks like. There you go. There you go. So the baby will sit there. Let's clip this there. And that way you smooth everything out. You can see where the baby would sit there. Obviously I've got that pillow underneath. You don't need a pillow. You just need something a bit flat. But for the sake of this, as I said, I'm going to use a pillow. Let's clip that there. There we go. Okay, so there you have it, pose baby there. Obviously it's too low on the floor. You could be sitting and posing, nice and comfortable, or you could, if you've got like like a table or something just about to your waist or to your stomach, you could put it on that, make sure it's safe, I guess, and you could pose the baby. So once I get some shots done, hopefully this week with the baby, I will show you guys as well. There you have it, a big posy.